Oh, I hear you. Okay. Okay, come in the robot. Yeet. Oh, no. I want to get the legs. Legs. The legs. It's good legs. Legs. Okay, I'm coming. Sure you do. I'm coming. Can you hear my horn? My brother said he hates Fortnite. He should love this. Yeah, I got a sniper, boy. Oh god, that was really impressive. Oh, I didn't see that. No, no. I can do this all day. Not really a robot fight, we're just shooting each other's robots. Oh, you got me. No. One more shot and you should be dead. Oh god. Okay. How much health? Oh no, that's really not good. Where are you? Oh, by campfire. Thanks for letting me remember camp. Okay. What does this do? I just go for it. Oh, that's not really impressive. Oh, oh god. Even though I'm really far away from it, it's making my screen fuzzy. Riffing. Campfire. Oh wait, will chug splashes work on this? I know it works. Wait. Cameron, chug splashes don't work on the robot. No, it's healing the robot. But chug, my campfire's healing it slowly. No, I'm gonna. Oh god, I'm gonna do that. Daddy, daddy, yes, papa. Eating sugar, no, papa. Oh, you idiot! You idiot! Whoa. Well, I killed you. It's still there. I'm not gonna take your loot. I'm just gonna run. Oh, well, I had healer. No, I didn't. Wait, no, I didn't take it. I didn't take your loot. I just took my robot. Well, you didn't. It didn't really get broken. Wait, where's your robot? Yeah, suspicious. That's my battle cry. Feel threatened. Me, me, yeah. I am. I am... I'm nowhere.